Genius Kids. Cultivating love for learning.
Chapter 2. The story of a woodcutter. Get connected. Self-awareness. We should be loyal to our work. Loyalty is always respected everywhere and by all. We should work hard so that everyone may admire us. But before working hard with any tool, we should observe if well. Sometimes our tools also cause our failure. We should do our work as our physique allows. Hard-working person is always respected. Knowledge acquisition. Value, skillfulness. Once upon a time, a very strong woodcutter asked for a job in a timber merchant and he got it. Timber merchant paid him very well. In return, he just wanted hard work. For those reasons, the woodcutter was determined to do his best. His boss gave him an axe and showed him the area where he's supposed to work. The first day, the woodcutter went to the area and observed the trees keenly. He started to chop down the trees. One by one, he chopped down trees enthusiastically. Soon he chopped 18 trees by the evening. He brought 18 trees to the timber merchant to show his hard labor. "Congratulations," the boss said. Timber merchant was quite happy with the work of woodcutter. Now, he wanted the man to cut down more trees by him only. He ordered the woodcutter, "Go on that way." Woodcutter was too happy with the appraisal by the boss. Very motivated by the boss' words, the woodcutter went home happily thinking of more hard work on the next day. Next morning he got up and got ready for the job. He went to the area which was told to him. He thought for harder labor on that day, but something strange was going on to him. As harder he hit the tree trunk, only a little cut appeared on the wood. He tried more harder, but same problem. However, he continued his job. That day he could only bring 15 trees by the evening. His boss said nothing. He was still happy with the woodcutter. That night he could not sleep well. All the night he went on thinking for the reason. Well, he thought for more hard work on the next day and slept. The third day he tried even harder, but he could only chop down 10 trees. Now he was quite upset with the own work. He thought his boss would become unhappy with his work. He may dismiss him from the job. But his master was a good man. He was surprised with the woodcutter's work, but every day he just encouraged him to do well. Day after day he was bringing less and less trees. "I must be losing my strength," the woodcutter thought. He went to the boss and apologized, saying that he could not understand what was going on. Master thought for a while and said, "When was the last time you sharpened your axe?" "Sharpen? I had no time to sharpen my axe. I have been very busy trying to cut trees," the woodcutter answered surprisingly. Then master could understand about the everyday decreasing quantity of the trees. Master said to woodcutter, "Now I can understand what the matter is. You haven't lost your energy, rather your axe has loosened its sharpness."
Like, share and subscribe.